So friends, how are you there? I'm Kumar. Today I'm going to give you the review of a new, or you can say a little bit old, live TV app, that is Jio TV, given to you by Jio Enterprises. So Jio is a national company headed by Anil Ambani, aka the Antilia owner. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel App Reflection, and you can check out that bell icon also. That will give you all the notifications of my videos that I upload. So friends, let me open the Jio TV application. So Jio TV is supported on Android, and if I don't know that it's supported on iOS or not, so let's open the Jio TV app. There you can see in normal Google Play Store, like triangle is there on the TV, and it's a little bit with red background. And for your kind information, that they are only available to Jio hotspot and Jio SIM card users, but there is a trick that if you are connected with a Jio a mobile that uses Jio SIM card, then you can easily access the application or other Jio applications available to you. So when you open this application, a normal type of intro is given to you with a red background and very plain, not any kind of animated things are there, just a simple stuff, a plain kind of intro. And the loading speed is sometimes on how your Jio SIM is working, because now you have seen that Jio SIMs are working very slow. So first let me tell you that on the left row you can see, or the left column you can see that there are channels given to you, and you can check that some are HD, some are not. So you can get a clear information that which channel is in which language and is it HD or not. And you are provided with several other filters. Every program that is available on that channel is provided to you, and you can search several channels and programs, and you are given many useful filters there, like categories. Then you can search by some categories, and then language filter is also given to you. That is the language you can choose which type of channel you want to see, and all channels you can see, HD channels only you can see, and you can add some channels to your favorite list. And there are many other options given to you. Home, that is current screen we are in. Then my favorites, which channels have you added to your favorites. My recents, that recent channels and programs you have seen, and other recordings that you have done. In the settings there are not much options, but I would like to say that only language changing options are there, as you can see here, that are given to you. And then support, that call center that shitty, and then log out, or you also know that you can log out from your account. And then you can check which programs are airing now, and this is the screen that you get when you open a channel and you want to see any program. So you can get the name of the program running now on air. Then you can get the name of the channel icon on the left side, and you can add it to your favorite, share it, and then it tells it is live or not. And in the down screens you can see that which programs are going in the future or went in the past. So you can see that the variety of options are provided to you. The pause button, the C button, that from when it's airing, is it live on, and you can get several other options like quality and bitrate by clicking the 3 button on the right corner. Now it's you need to be patient, and because it does not run on any other SIM cards, but using that trick you can run it very easily. So friends, it is my review of new app known as Jio TV, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel App Reflection and hit that like button also. This is Kumar Ayush signing out.